Okay, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my son's Monster Moto mini bike, the MM-B80. We bought this from Amazon. Now I've already cut the nylon straps, but now I'm going to open it up and let's see what's inside.
I'll have our jammies on. Dad, look, see? I like when my jammies in this. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, so what do we got in here first, guys?
Stickers.
You got stickers.
Where did I put the stickers? Oh yeah, they're over here.
Okay, open it up.
Dad, can I see it? So heavy.
Yeah, pull the padding off of it.
Oh, there's bubbles. Put the bubble wrap.
Okay, 1 second. Let's. We don't want it to fall. Okay, so it looks like the handlebars are zip tied and wrapped in the side here. I'm just gonna put this down for 1 second.
You want to take them off, okay?
Okay, so we now got it. We now have it out of the box, and this is what it looks like pulled out of the box.
These are huge ones.
There's a sticker on it that says "Caution add oil." Hey, bud, let me get some scissors. We'll cut open those straps. Watch out. Okay, so we got the handlebars unwrapped. There's a couple good-sized gouges in them, but nothing that's the end of the world. Some of it's right down to the bare metal. As far as other overall conditions,
Dad?
a lot of scuffing on the side plate here. But aside from that, I mean, it's in fairly decent shape.
Dad, now can I go and fill some water on my water table? Yay! You're gonna need to open it. Whoops.
There you go, bud.
Here's the...
Comes with the front plate, comes with some engine oil, comes with the bolts.
Oh, it comes with its own box of oil?
Yes, Aiden.
What the what? Its own box of oil, so I have to...
Little toolkit, handlebar clamps,
and the sticker plate.
Spark plug wrench.
And I'm adding stickers.
Are you excited, Aiden?
Yeah, I'm just adding a sticker. A giant sticker.
A couple, what do the warnings say? Stop, oil required, mini bike is shipped without motor oil. Before starting, fill crankcase with a 10W30.
Dad, can you put the sticker on the sticker?
Contact, yeah, 1 sec, bud. Contact Monster Moto customer service for any concerns or complaints. I probably will contact them about the handlebars.
There's a watering can.
Some emissions information. Let's take a closer look at the engine here. Here's the engine model marker. It's 152F-3 170264660. I don't know if that's a SIN or an engine model number marking. I'll Google it later and find out. I think these are life-in engines that they put on these things. Very cool.
I know.
Not sure what this string here is for. It's got the nice rear disc brakes. It's got a certificate of origin for the motorcycle. What do you think, bud?
Cool. Can you put this on the sticker plate?
Yes, I will, bud. So just noticed that in the box there's another set of colored stickers, so you can decide between the two different color schemes. I'll put them side by side so you can see. One's those are two color schemes or sticker schemes that it comes with. It also has a clutch oiling procedure, which is probably the #1 complaint that you read about these things online is the clutch sticking. So, what does it say? Locate the clutch oil hole on the left side of the bike. Drip several drops of 10W30 oil into the clutch. Yeah, pretty straightforward.
Here's the oil.
It's recommended to oil clutch bushings prior to each ride. Yep, no problem.
Here's the oil.
Thanks, bud. Let's see if they're missing anything else in here. Nope, just a little bit of crankcase oil in there, some shipping stickers.
Another string there.
You don't have to cut those ones, bud. Okay, so all we have to do is bolt these clamps onto the handlebars and fill it with oil and gas, and should be ready to go. So first I'm gonna bolt the handlebars on with these. You'll need a 10mm spanner wrench to be able to do it. Your toolkit has all the tools you need to assemble your bike. It's got a 10mm, 12mm, 15 it looks like, and an Allen key and a screwdriver.
And a flipping screwdriver.
Okay, so now we're going to use those tools to tighten down the clamps. So this mini screwdriver that came with the kit, as you can see, it's already broke because there's either paint or some cross threading on this nameplate screw, but that's fine. Use a different screwdriver than what came with this kit. Okay, so we got all the stickers on, we got the faceplate attached, we've got the handlebars attached. We got now all we need to do is put some oil in it, lube the clutch, and then get a helmet for Hayden. What's up, Finley?
I'm going to look.
Be careful.
Whoa.
And then Hayden, you gonna go for a ride?
You have to teach me.
Okay. Well, he's gassed up and oiled up, ready to go. So my son's about 4'6" and about 60 pounds. Give a size comparison for the bike. Are your hand okay?
Yeah.
Like this, just a short, quick pull like this. Okay. Slow it down a little bit. Okay, so the bike's going a little bit too fast for my son, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw in this screw here, to slow it down a little bit. It's the governor screw. Okay, because that's a security Torx, it does not come with a kit, so just using a pair of pliers, just slightly screw it in a bit.
You want me to drive by myself?
Yep, let's see it. Make sure you... Go in, you're doing good, bud. Big wipeout. Pick it back up. Now be careful. How'd you like that, bud?
Good.